Technology's never stayed still, especially from the side of robotics, and so are we. Millions of years of evolution have allowed animals to develop some elegant and highly efficient solutions to problems like locomotion, flight and dexterity. Humans try to give their products the appropriate appearance and give robots all the advantages of the representatives of fauna. So today, we will see a dozen of cool cyber animals around the world. Robot snake and fish. The mechanical snake is designed to perform maintenance and repair of various mechanisms on the seabed, mainly on oil platforms. It is capable of replacing costly autonomous underwater vehicles easily slip into places where cumbersome robots cannot reach. Fish is another underwater inhabitant and environmental controller. How to control the level of water pollution. You can take samples to take to the laboratory and analyze. You can use a specifically designed robot in the form of a fish that will float in the water and check its purity. Robot fish tests were conducted in the port of the Spanish city of Gil-Jon. At this stage, it was checked how effectively they are able to determine the degree of water pollution and help to recognize the main sources of pollution. Festo bionicopter. Now this robot that actually exists was unveiled by the German technology company Festo bionicopter, a fully functional robot dragonfly. It can fly forwards, backwards, hover and even fly sideways, just like a real dragonfly. Its introduction marks another step forward in robotics engineering. The bionicopter isn't as tiny as its natural counterpart. It's approximately 19 inches long with a wingspan of just over 27 inches, but it looks a lot like the real thing. With its dual pair of wings operating independently affixed to its rail-thin body and slightly bulbous light blue head, it weighs remarkably just 175 grams. The Nikoro robot. Like other new technology developments in the land of the rising sun, Japanese robotic animals are of high quality and extensive functionality. Nikoro is covered with soft wool and looks like a live pet both in appearance and behavior. RoboCat will favorably fur when scratching the ears and stroking the back, as well as to express other emotions from angry growling to welcoming meowing. RoboCat uses 48 sounds recorded with real animals to express its emotions. Sensors are located in the cat's nose. Thanks to this, the cat sees its surroundings. Robot jellyfish. One of the more beautiful and harmonious robot animals actually exists, this jellyfish. It is very much like a real jellyfish, maybe a little mechanized. It can be used in many areas, from pure entertainment in the aquarium to working as an underwater radio anchor in the open sea leading ships and planes. Jellyfish can both swim at a reasonable speed and hang in one place while even a strong flow will not interfere with it. Robot salamander. The only modern robot capable of moving both in water and on land. The robot's lightweight plastic body allows it to flow freely, simulating a reptile movement. While on the ground, it can be used moving particular curved legs. The speed is low, but the passage on complex surfaces is an excellent interesting fact. The creators of this robot want to get a new type of amphibian transport. Robot spider T8. Not an animal, of course, but we couldn't mention its spider robot skeleton is printed on a 3D printer. T8 is one of the most shocking and amazing robots that really exist. It has several kits, including a realistic coating. The robot uses 26 servo gears and a simple advanced control system. This robot costs $385, but the version without the skin can be purchased for $250. Robot shark. After the creation of the robot, the fish baton was taken by military engineers and scientists who created a robot imitating the most ferocious marine predator. The sample of this swimming robot shark presented to the public has a length of only 1.5 meters, but it still makes a striking impression. Scientists have said they tried to make a copy of the tuna, but it ended up with a shark. It is quite easy to understand how and for what the robot will be used. It can sink 400 meters, which is not the limit since the works are still in progress. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets on the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.